Hello, my name is Robin Badke and I'm with Alta Vista Technology. In this video, we are going to cover budgets in Microsoft Great Plains. On the Financials module, under the cards, you would select budgets. Here you can review budgets that maybe have been created previously, or you can create a new one. You can delete a previous budget, you can open an existing budget, or you can export or import to and from Excel. We are going to create a new budget using the budget wizard for Excel. It opens up the budget window. You can enter an ID, enter a description, select how you would like to base the budget. You can either do a date range or a fiscal year. And we're going to do the fiscal year for 2016. Select next. Then you have 4 choices to select a budget calculation from. You can do an open year, other budget, historical year, or blank budget. The open year, other budget, or historical budget all uses different percentages that you can assign to a previous budget. So for this one, we're just going to go ahead and create a blank budget. You would then select next. And you can select a year you would like to pull the actual amounts in from. We're going to use 2016. You can choose what account types you'd like to include. They can be just balance sheet accounts, P&L accounts, unit accounts, or all of them. We're going to do balance sheet accounts. You can choose to include only selected accounts. Then you would have to specify your segment or your range. And we're going to do all accounts for the purposes of this budget. Then a window is going to come up for account verification. At this point, you can choose to include or exclude specific accounts. So normally if you pick a segment range, you would have to pick all the accounts within that range, and this through the account verification allows you to pick through and specify if you do not want to include them all. You then click next and choose if you would like to open it up in a new workbook in Excel or an existing workbook. Kind of goes over all the basic information. When you're ready to complete, select finish. It's going to ask you where you'd like to save your budget. We're just going to save it to the desktop. And once that's completed, you will have a blank budget in Excel for the different periods. Ours is based on months from January 2016 through December 2016. And here you can choose to enter all of your amounts. And when completed, you could save that and import it back into Microsoft Great Plains. And that is it on creating budgets. If you would like any further information, please feel free to visit us at altavistatech.com or send us an email to support@altavistatech.com. Thank you.